Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm actually gonna test ride the Suzuki V-Strom. My brother wants to get an adventure bike, so today I'm going to the Suzuki showroom to check it out, obviously with my brother. So I'll just test it out how it is and vlog too, obviously. Hey guys, as I said, finally we are going. My brother went front in scooty, so we'll be going there and then checking out V-Strom. We actually also thought to check out the Honda 200X, but already my brother has Avenger 220, and the power compared to the Honda 200X is more in Avenger. So I was like, no, we'll see V-Strom or something else. Hope it will be good. I've seen all the reviews about the V-Strom. It is good. So the showroom from here, it is around 5 minutes. I'm sweating, and soon I've planned up a Pune ride on October 11th, I believe. So I'll be riding to Pune and Shirdi, and I'll be vlogging too, obviously. So keep supporting as always, and do watch my vlog, and please comment down below if you have any suggestions on what to do in a vlog or what not to do. It would be great. And speaking about the V-Strom 250, it is an awesome bike. It is pocket free bike. It is like everything is in a budget, and even the quality is good, and you can enjoy it. You can ride it however you want. Today it's Monday actually, and I have a week off today. Tomorrow again I'll be back to work. It's festive season, right? So many of them have taken holiday in my office. Oh, there's a Lexus RX 350. This is the first time I'm seeing this car, SUV. Oh, finally they have put road. It was very bad. The road condition was very bad in Bangalore. Obviously everywhere it is bad. I don't know why is that. Nowadays only I'm seeing them doing the patchwork. Finally we have reached the showroom. I'm not sure where to park the bike. Parking. उस तरफ ठीक है. हाँ, सेफ रहेगा ना? सेफ रहेगा ना? ये देखने के लिए. अंदर ठीक है. So finally we have reached the showroom, and I can see a couple of V-Stroms over there and a test drive vehicle over here. Maybe this one is a test ride vehicle. I'll test ride it. My brother is still not seen, so I'm waiting for him. Hey guys, here is the V-Strom 250. It's good. Okay, The suspension is a little bit stiff, and it's awesome. Okay, this side it's a dead end, I feel. Yeah, power is also okay, good. In this category I feel it's more than enough, and it is beautiful. The bike is also looking beautiful, the yellow color. I just personally love the yellow color. It's good, and black is also sexy. And the low end torque is pretty good. The engine is not offing up. Yeah, even in third gear, below 1.5 RPM it's not offing. The engine is not stalling. It's a great bike. It's seriously awesome, guys. I'm just loving it. Okay. The suspension, I'm not able to explain how it is. Sometimes it's hitting hard, and sometimes it is soft. Maybe since it's a test ride bike, it is like that. I'm sure it will be more smooth, a new bike, and I don't feel any vibrations. It's seriously sounding very good. Okay, great. Just make a U-turn. The road gets worse in the front, I believe, and it's been a very long. Oof, the power is more than enough. It's seriously good for touring, and obviously it's very pocket friendly. Okay, the pothole I didn't feel much. Seriously, the suspension is beautiful in this bike. The pull is good compared to a 250cc bike, and in this horsepower the pull is really good. So I seriously can't feel anything, these potholes, and the braking is also too good. Okay. Oof, I'm just enjoying this. It's seriously so awesome. It's not stalling, guys. Even in low RPM, even in third gear, it's not stalling. Cool. Hey guys, so we have finally planned to book the V-Strom 250 SX and in orange color. So we just went to the godown, the Suzuki godown, to check out the orange, and my brother loved it, so we are getting the orange one. I guess we'll book it now, and since it's the festive season, they are giving us lots of offers too. Yeah, and I'm again heading back to the showroom to book the bike. And Avenger 220 is in sale, so if anyone is interested, I'll just put down my or my brother's number in the description. You can please call us anytime and ask all the details. It's a well maintained bike, so if anyone needs an Avenger 220, do contact us. Hey guys, finally we're done with the booking. So I guess Thursday will be the delivery, and that one will be in a separate vlog. Now we are going back home, so the next vlog will be the delivery vlog of the V-Strom 250 SX. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. Hope you liked it. Keep supporting as always, and this is Sachin signing off as of now.